Hi everyone, my name is Selena. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. Today I'm going to be unboxing a B&G box, trading box that I ordered 2 weeks ago. It is I believe a returning items 25 item box. I haven't opened it yet, so let's get started. I'm excited. Also, if you guys are interested, my Poshmark closet is SC Threads. I'll be listing most of these items there. All right. This box opens. So looks like first thing is a thank you very much for your order. This order was made by Diana. Thank you, Diana. Thank you for everything that you're doing while you're working through all this pandemic. Thank you for your hard work. So yes, looks like I ordered the B&G Trading Popular Retailer Women's Apparel Economy Return tags. So they all have tags, that's great. 25 items. I purchased it for $59. Let's get started. All right, get this box situated here. Okay, first item is, ooh, Free People. All right, Free People Intimately. Looks like it's a thermal turtleneck, one piece. Very cute, like a coral color. Very cute, very cute. Size medium. Looks like it had a tag on, but doesn't have the actual Free People tag, but that's okay. Free People one piece thermal turtleneck. Very cute. Free People, size medium, perfect size. Can't complain. All right, next up looks like, ooh, okay. We have a junk food, size large, with tags, tank top or muscle tank. Very cute, says Aloha. Size large, like tie-dyed pink. Very cute shirt. Distressing, cute junk food shirt. All right. Next up, looks like I have a BP cami, size small. Very cute, has the ribbing. It's ribbed with tags. Brass blossom. Very cute. Okay, next out of the box. Ooh, another junk food tee with tags. Looks like it says Heartbreaker. White, has a distressing around the neck. Size medium, very cute. Also has like little slits on the side. Not bad, very cute. All right, next up, let's see what do we have here. All right, looks like we have a Style & Co, size small with tags. It's like one of the basic tees. Actually really cute, the color is really pretty. It's like heathered. Little front pocket right there. Little arms are a little cuffed. Bottoms are cute. It's really cute. The back has this little cute. Very cute. All right, next up, we have another BP cami. Pretty color. A caramel color. Size small. It's ribbed. Very cute. Not bad. So far, so good. All right, next up is We the Free, size large. Very cute. Like cold shoulder top. Heathered blue. Has like a little something here, but I don't see why we can't fix that. Cold shoulder top, heathered blue color. Very cute. We the Free, it's a size large. Not bad. Sleeves, very cute. Very cute. All right, next, let's see what we have in here. Looks like we have a Susina. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, I've never heard of this brand, but it's Susina, size large, striped. It's like a little basic top. It's cute. Susina, I'm gonna have to look this brand up because I've never heard of it. It does have tags. Very cute, size large. Have to look that up. And it looks like I have another Style & Co. Like a basic V-neck top. Like heathered yellowish color. Size extra large with tags. Has a little front pocket and it's like cuffed there. High and low back, V-neck. Very cute. Not bad. All right. Looks like here we have a BP 3X basic top. Yellow, like a canary yellow. 3X, that's a good size. Looks like it's like a little cropped basic tee. Not bad. I don't see any stainings on most of the things that I've already looked through right now. The only thing is that little Free People, but everything else looks really good. So let's continue. All right, I have another cami, BP, extra large. This one's in black. Actually, it's a little different. Tags. It is a one-piece cami. The back. Got that going on. Brand new with tags. Very cute. Summertime's coming, ladies. One piece. It's so cute. It's a size extra large. That's a good size. Black. Not bad. Okay, I have another BP extra large cami one piece, like a bodysuit. They're all, it's ribbed, so was the black one, ribbed. This was pretty, like a forest green color with tags. Same back. Not bad, very cute, very cute. All right. Next I have a Joe Fresh, size large, like a peplum tank, striped peplum tank. Very cute, size large. Very cute. Let's see. See that? Very cute. Not bad. Size large. These are great sizes. All right. Looks like I have another BP extra large cami, pink, ribbed, extra large, really pretty color, and looks like it retails for $22, size extra large from Nordstrom's. Very cute. Pink. Perfect size, extra large. I'm gonna have my summer stock. Next up, ooh, a cute top shop with tags, size 8. Looks like it's a ribbed cropped tank. Very cute. This one is so cute. Not bad. Top shop. All right, if you hear that noise in the background, my neighbor is cutting his grass right now. Couldn't pick a perfect time, right? All right, looks like I have another junk food, size small with tags, junk food tee, and it says Desert Dreams. Yes, we're all dreaming about getting back out in the world. Very cute. Junk food, size small. All right, next up. Looks like, what's in here? Castellone. I could be saying that totally wrong, I'm sorry. I haven't sold this brand before. Castellone. Could be wrong, forgive me. Looks like it's a long sleeves. Have a little adjustable string on the sides. Heathered gray or heathered black. This is a size large. Brand new with tags. Cute. It's cute, very cute. All these things are very cute. No wear, no holes, no stains. Pretty good for a return box so far. Let's see what else we have going on. All right, I have another BP extra small cropped rib tank. Very cute. Brand new with tags. Looks like it retailed for $15. Not bad. It's cute. Adorable. Very cute. With some cute little shorts or some skinny jeans. Cute. Love the color. It's like a pinkish, reddish color. Very cute. All right, next up, let's see. Another BP. BP loves me today. Size small, V-neck, a little peplum crop top. Not bad. Short sleeves. Here's the back. Very cute. Not bad. BP, size small, with tags. Okay, next up, looks like we have another Castellone baseball tee. Size extra large. Little baseball tee. That's what they call them, baseball top, sports top. Navy blue, gray. Looks like this one might have a little bit of a stain. Go ahead and soak it in some Dawn soap. Get those grease stains out. Looks like it's a little stain. If not, it's cute. If I can't get the stains out, you can always give it to someone. Very cute. All right, next up is, what are you? A Top Shop, size 10. It's like a little halter top. Top Shop with tags, ribbed halter top. Very cute. All right, now we have a Treasure and Beyond, size large. Looks like it retailed for $25. Treasure and Beyond. It's just like a basic tee, all white, tags, not bad, very cute. Okay, almost done, bear with me. We have another BP, size small. Looks like they cropped over the shoulder. Shirt with tags, BP. Very cute. This one has a little stain, but I think that'll come out really easily. Very cute, cropped off the shoulder. BP, size small. It looks like I have free press, size small. Let's see, it looks like it's purple tank dress, midi. Let's see, has the gathering on the sides, free press, purple, very cute, midi. Not bad. Love that purple's really pretty. Okay. Next up is PJ Salvage. Never heard of this brand. I haven't sold this brand, I should say. It's a size small, like a crew neck. Crew neck that looks like it has a little spot. Not sure if that will come out. I'll try. If not, then this can either be redonated or gifted to someone, or I could just use it for lounging at home. So we'll see. It's cute. It's like a crew neck sweatshirt. Has like little stars on the side. So yeah, we'll see if I can get that out. If not, just wear it around the house. Okay, next up we have with tags. Let's see. Betty Ennis bikinis. So I'm guessing it has to do with something with swimming. I don't know, I've never sold this brand before. I might even be pronouncing it totally wrong. Yes. It's a size large. Oh, it is a cover up. So it is something you can cover yourself up when you're wearing your bikini, or when you're wearing your bathing suit, or if you just rather just wear it like a dress. Looks very cute. Maxi. It's a cover up, so as soon as we can head to the beach or on vacation, it's a size large. Blue Bliss is the color. It's a cover up, really pretty. Not too bad. Always has a lining inside. Very cute color. All right, 2 more items. I have a Karen Scott Sports, size extra large, brand new with tags. Karen Scott. It's like they're just like sweat shorts. Extra large, Karen Scott. It's a good size. See what the comps are. I won't post them for most of these things for a large amount, because I just feel like right now everybody needs a good deal, right? Very cute, brand new tag, size large, Karen Scott, sweat shorts. All right, last item in this box is Abound, size small. Like a fuchsia color. Looks like it's a knit dress. Sweater dress, I should say. Kind of like a bell kind. Sleeves, knit, chunky. Tones, knit dress, bound, very cute. Cute dress. Last item in this box, not too bad. So overall, I am satisfied with my box. I know I could probably make back what I paid for it and probably profit off of it as well. I will be adding this to my Poshmark closet, SC Threads, so if you're interested, they'll be up. Again, I am pretty satisfied. I think I will order another box at B&G because I am satisfied. Everything looked good. There's maybe 2 items that had a little stains, but I try and get those out and see what I can do. Anyways, thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If not, any questions, you could also comment below. And thank you for watching.